Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kaushik Chowdhury, and those who are familiar with me, my subscribers or all of my viewers, I thank you all. And in return, I would like to tell you that my course on JavaScript best practices on Udemy platform is in the pipeline, and I would like to register your expression of interest for this course after showing you the first two sections lectures on the YouTube free of cost. And I intend to upload 2 videos every week, so it will be bi-weekly affair. So I would preferably upload on Mondays and Wednesdays, and you can register your expression of interest on the comment section of this video or any other video. So over to the first lesson of the first section, which is on course. What are the course objectives and what is the full course overview? Hello and welcome to our course on JavaScript best practices. I am excited to guide you through this journey of mastering the art of writing clean, efficient and maintainable JavaScript code. Whether you are a developer, architect or QA professional, this course will provide you with the essential best practices to elevate your JavaScript skills. Now let's start with an overview of what we'll cover in this course. So over the next several modules, we'll dive deep into various aspects of JavaScript development, including setting up your development environment to ensure that you've got the right tools and configurations to get started, including version control with Git. And learn how to structure your code for better readability and maintainability. Discover the importance of consistent coding styles and how to implement them using tools like ESLint and Prettier. And master the use of Git and GitHub to manage code versions and repositories, along with collaborating with team members and maintaining a robust version control workflow. Further, to understand the nuances of variable declaration and scoping in JavaScript to avoid common pitfalls. We'll explore the functional programming concepts and best practices for writing pure side effect free functions. Since error handling and debugging are a crucial part of any application development, and JavaScript being no exception, so we'll master the techniques for effective error handling and debugging in JavaScript applications, and gain proficiency in managing asynchronous operations using promises, async await and other patterns, and learn techniques to optimize your JavaScript code for better performance and real scalability. Discover strategies to secure your JavaScript applications from common vulnerabilities. Get hands-on with testing frameworks and practices to ensure the quality of your code. Apply whatever you have learned to real-world scenarios and projects. So now let's talk about the objectives of this course. So by the end of this course, you will be able to apply JavaScript best practices by implementing the best practices learned in your code to improve readability, maintainability, and performance, including effective version control with Git. Write clean, efficient, and secure JavaScript code following industry standards. Identify and fix performance bottlenecks and effectively debug your JavaScript applications. Understand and apply security best practices to protect your JavaScript applications from common threats. Utilize testing frameworks and methodologies to ensure your code is reliable and bug-free. And master the use of Git and GitHub for version control, enabling efficient collaboration and code management. Now, this course is designed to be hands-on and practical. Throughout our sessions, you will find coding exercises, real-world examples, and projects that will help put your best practices learned into action. I encourage you to actively participate, practice, and ask questions as we go along. Now, finally, thank you very much for joining me in this journey to master JavaScript best practices. Let's get started and elevate your JavaScript development skills to the next level. See you in the next lecture.